Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's workshop. Today we are going to use the depoxy steel epoxy, and because my tripod have been broken the handle and I have to connect it again, so I have to connect it again. I'm gonna use the epoxy and let's see how to use it. I'm using this magic epoxy. It have two parts. We have to mix them together and make a small geometry solution. For that I have to take out both of them. I have taken about equal parts of the epoxy. Now I'm gonna mix it until the mixture is even in the gray color. So it is A and it is B. So I'm gonna combine them both. So the mixture is ready. Now I have to place it on the tripod handle. I applied the epoxy on the broken part and I have to let it dry out, and let's see if it is to see if the joint is strong or not. It has been 2 hours and the joint have been dry out, so I have to check. So the joint is really strong and it's not moving, little bit moving because that wasn't perfect, but it's gonna work, it's gonna handle the whole tripod. So before it was out of its place, right now it have been placed together again at its original place, so I can handle it my whole tripod by that. So it is great way to connect plastic parts or any metal parts or anything by the use of epoxy steel. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.